replacing a CV shaft for Mick. Everyone should know this car from the channel. One that had the look video done. So Ashley had an accident. He collected a kangaroo. The insurance company wrote it off. Gotta give me a hoist.
That'll do. Not gonna eat nothing there.
No.
Perfect,
Right.
mate. Perfect.
Could have been a paddle beater.
Yeah. Little bit of big fog, mate. It'll come up all over.
Bit of bog. Check this Falcon out. It's had some of our bodywork done too.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, she lifted it. You done it properly.
No, I just cut it, slotted it, and just got the hammer and dollied it up. And then cut the tires. Yeah.
31s. That's cool. Even got a cage.
Kangaroo gonger. Jeep mirror.
Jeep mirror.
Fell off the Jeep.
No mirror. Oh shit.
She won't let me drive you.
I won't let you drive either. Oh, there goes the awning again. Might be trying to back this up. Pull your front handbrake a little and drive.
Handbrake a bit.
Just a little bit, just.
Yeah.
A little bit more on the handbrake. Ah! Bugger!
Nearly did it. Oh, it stinks that bloody water, doesn't it? Right.
Oops. Whoop, gave the bull bar a good thud. That'll pull out. Yeah, there's a big bank on the other side and just thud. That's why I was reversing and going forward and thud.
I reckon if you clear it, you'd be able to come through this way, I reckon.
Yeah, oh, you come through the other way, yeah, easy.
I'll try and get a call for that.
It's definitely deeper, like it's up the side of the doors.
I'll tell you what, it fucking smells bad, doesn't it?
Yeah, it stinks. Oh, there goes the belt swill. I've got to get all this water out.
At least you haven't got your carpet this time.
Yeah, I knew there was a reason I left the carpet out.
Well, I never used to have carpet in much my four-wheel drive. Cassie's waiting for me, isn't she? You're right now.
Yeah,
mate.
I'm all
I've got to
good,
take
yeah.
youngster up to the house.
Yeah.
I'll meet you up there.